Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I've been printing up some accessories slash tools for GMRS radio gear, and I'm going to post a link to my website, but keep checking my website because I'm going to update it over time with different ideas for when I print things up. But here's one of them that I thought might be kind of nice. Now, if you do a lot of repeater stuff and you have those SMA connectors, they're kind of a pain to use your hands to tighten them. I made a little thumb driver that you can push them right on there and just leave them on the connector. Okay, I'm hoping all the sizes are standard. If not, you may have to take a little bit of sandpaper and sand inside of here to get them to slide on to the SMA. But I just leave it on there, and that makes it really nice to deal with these SMAs. I also have a little wrench for the SMA. It's not really meant for high torque, but if you want to crack something loose, I'll have that. Another thing that I'm working on too is people like to build their own antennas. So I have a little test jig here. This ain't the final thing. I'm going to make it actually a little bit taller, but it's going to help you. The purpose of this is to help you build and bend your ground rod so they'll be at a 45-degree angle. That's real crucial for I did a video about it. If I can find that video, I'll post that link down below. But it helps with matching the impedance. So I'll have this little test jig here where you take the chassis mount, a PL259, or I think they call it an SO259 or whatever, and you set it in there, and then now you'll be able to bend your ground rods to 45. Then when you're done, you can just take it out of the jig, and away you go. So I'll have that, but keep checking the website, my store website. I'll post a link down below. I may have more other ideas. I do have, speaking of that, let's get back to this. I do have a fan bracket. I did a video about that. That's also on the website. You can buy the bracket, not with the fan, but the bracket separately. That will work on the TYT 9000 radios or the Retevis RT9000 radios, especially if you're going to use them as a node or a repeater radio or whatever. I have that available. But at any rate, so keep checking the website because I keep updating it with different ideas as time goes on. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.